Well, here it is, my new machine. Hi, this is Vince Curie. I just took my brand new Brother PE-900 out of the box, and being that I've had the 770s, I had 3 770s, maybe 4, and the PE-800, which is right over there. And then, of course, I got a larger one, the Innovis NQ1700E. That's a larger embroidery only. Anyway, not too many people who know this, but I put the grid in. It only comes with one grid. Sometimes if you buy the ellipsis grids that come in the box, the ellipsis box, it comes with a green and a purple. All right. The purple one is the one for this particular machine. Now, you center the hoop, by pressing the button, and it goes through the dance, and you install the grid. Now these hoops have a dash on the side that has the split, and on the opposite side there's a diamond. There's a diamond. The diamonds line up. That's the way they're manufactured. That's the way they go in. Okay. Now, you put in the purple grid, and you align it with the grooves. Groove here, here, and in the back there's a groove, and this fits in there nice. Okay, now, dropping the needle, what you want is the needle to go through the hole that's there. Now just watch this. I'm turning the handwheel towards me. You see? See, it's not in the center. It's not in the center. Okay. What does that mean? It means it's not going to be in the center when it starts. All right. 32nd of an inch. That's not going to kill anybody. Okay, now there's a hidden menu in here. You turn the machine off. There's a hidden menu. Now, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to tell you, and this is something, you do this at your own risk. Because when you get into the hidden menu, it's a maintenance menu. And if you're adventurous, you play around with stuff. That's a no-no. Now, I'm going to tell you what to do in this case. And you always write down, like for example, this is my machine, menu 8. I'm going to show you what that means, menu 8. And you see I have a +7 above a +2. Okay. Now this is right out of the factory. Okay, now what I'm going to be doing, like I said, this is a hidden maintenance. Your dealer probably doesn't even know this. But with the machine off, and of course you made your hoop go around so that it's where the center, the machine says that's the center. You hold these two in, while you turn the machine on. Now I'm holding a little phone. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause it, and I'm going to hold these two, and then I'm going to turn the machine on, and it's going to get enable it to get into the hidden menu. I'm going to pause this. I'm going to now show you how to get into the hidden maintenance mode. You hold these two buttons in, and you turn the machine on. Okay. Now the embroidery hoop's going to move, so the machine tells the hoop supposedly where the needle is. Okay. All right, now we're in the maintenance mode, and I'm only going to show you one aspect of it, which is number 8, embroidery position. Okay. Now last night I set this up. I corrected it. Previously, when I took the machine out of the box, I had a +7 and I had a +2. One is hoop left or right, and this one is hoop up or down in relation to the needle. So right now I set it up so when I bring the needle down, I'm in that position. I'm in the position where the needle drops right into the hole. It's right in the center of the hole. When I took it out of the box, the needle hit the side of the hole on the right side. All right, so now you can turn the machine off. You turn it back on. It's out of that hidden maintenance. Bring the needle up. The needle is down. Bring it up. Okay, so now you could move this. Okay, I'm happy with that. Thank you, Vincent Curie. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and ring the bell.